Hello, dosto. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit back once again with another interesting episode. And today I have with me somebody. She has an important question in her life: is she bewafa or is she not? You guys have already answered that question by seeing her project. Now you're going to see this interview and keep supporting her for whatever project that she does. I welcome over here Sulbhi Jyoti. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me here.
In today's time, it's quite understandable that fans, people, they want to know everything about their favorite personality. But sometimes kya hota hai na us chakkar mein, all thanks to social media and all, everything is, the blurred line that was earlier there, that has kind of diminished a lot more. So isse kya hota hai ki sometimes a lot of celebrities and public figures feel that their privacy has been intruded. Maybe
Yeah,
during someone's death, maybe during someone's own personal life. A lot of speculations
yeah,
and all have been happening all the time. But do
yeah.
you feel that it should go beyond an extent, jahan tak, from where it kind of gets to a stage where the personality or the people feel ki ha, just because he or she is a public figure, he or she is answerable to everything. That should not be the case. So, what would be your message to kind of nullify
Of
that fact?
course, of course. See, I'm an actor and that's my
Yeah,
profession, but I am a
yeah,
person too. I have my personal life. I have
yes,
emotions. It's very, very difficult to just put on a smile on your face and, go in public,
yeah,
We
yeah,
also have mood swings. We also have like arguments and we
true,
also have a personal life. So I
true,
think people and media should respect it. And recently,
yeah,
of course, we witnessed something which was absolutely heartbreaking for me that,
yeah,
let people grieve. They really don't want coverage while they are crying and while they are grieving,
yes,
while they are not in their senses, while
yeah,
they are disheartened, they are shattered. Trust me,
yeah,
they don't want coverage. You
absolutely,
want to cover them because maybe for your TRP, or maybe you want people to
yeah,
watch your channel, but I don't
yeah,
think so. I think they also know at one point that this is not right. So
yes,
of course everyone has their own rights and wrongs, but मैं वही बोल रही
yeah,
थी that morality and principally some
yeah,
rights and wrongs are universal. So we
yeah,
should follow that. It's not that like sometimes I don't want to smile. Sometimes I just want to be myself, but there's a pressure of fab. Sometimes there's a pressure of people might see you and people might record you, and what would people think. It's like I think actors shouldn't be under the pressure that they always have to please people. Not
yes,
you know
absolutely,
yeah, not when they are in front of camera. Of course it's their job to do whatever they have
yeah,
signed for, but
yeah.
when they are not in front of the camera, they are also human beings, and they should they should be allowed to have a life which is absolutely normal with full emotions. They also want to experience everything like any other person.
Yeah, and as you correctly said, every individual deserves their own, privacy. So that should never be intruded in whatever way, no matter you're a
Yeah,
celebrity or individual or whatever. When this
absolutely.
project was offered to you for the first time, did you have this feeling that yaar, ye to meme tha 2016 mein? How did the concept of a meme eventually become a film? Were you
Yes,
curious
of
to know
course.
about it more than anything
It was
else?
a very funny title, and when I heard,
Yeah,
I thought that's a joke. And then Mr. Mukesh Chabra called me for this,
yeah,
and he
yeah,
said that it's the title role, and
yeah,
it's good. You have something to
yeah,
do in it, because I really
yeah,
didn't want to do a film just for the sake of it. That a
yes,
film is coming, and now I have done good in television. It's high time
yeah,
for me to do a film. For me,
yeah,
no medium is small or big. I just want to do
absolutely,
good work. And
yeah,
he called me, and everybody has very high regards of him because he's very well known casting
true,
director of our country. So when he called me, I said, why not? It's a great opportunity, and it was a very funny title. And when I heard the story, I really thought that story is justifying the title. And
yeah,
it was very challenging, because there's, of course, everybody makes fun that you are bewafa, and uh, you cheated on somebody and you lied to somebody. But while listening to the story, I
yeah,
realized that nobody's actually, or maybe intentionally, bewafa.
yeah,
Circumstances ऐसे हो जाते हैं that
yeah,
somebody is just forced to do something. So that
Yeah.
that's what exactly happened in Sonam Gupta's life also. And I'm sure you must have seen the film, and
Yes.
it's shown properly that किसी को cheat करना is not somebody's choice.
Yes, absolutely. And as you said, that's a very right point. इंसान बुरा नहीं होता, हालात कभी-कभी बुरे हो जाते हैं, and that is where
Yeah,
kind of gets difficult for people. You
true.
mentioned this one thing about getting this lovely call, and you realized it's a good opportunity. I should maybe explore more. But industry mein, I would say traditionally this has been a thought. Although I don't agree with it, but it has been the thought for the longest time. There are two types of actors. One is movie actors. One is TV actors. For the
Yeah,
longest time, ऐसा कहा जाता था कि TV actors, I don't know for what damn reason they just cannot do films. But slowly
yeah.
and steadily, that thing is, going away in a flash. And, it's a lovely thing to happen. Did you ever feel like, yeah, I've given a lovely film audition, but you have missed out on a project just because of your TV background? Has something like that ever happened with
No, luckily no. But since
you? Yeah.
you're saying that, it was
Yeah.
of course always a subject of difference that this person is a
Yeah.
film actor and this person is a TV. I don't think so. Like let's
Yeah.
start from Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Of course, he started his
Yes.
career from television.
Yeah.
Like, do you want me to go on with Ayushmann Khurrana, with Vikrant Messi, or Yamin
many names.
Gautam, and like who, like
Yeah.
they all, Pankaj Tripathi, like
Ji.
everybody has done television, because nobody in its
Yeah.
sane mind would say that any medium is small or big,
Yes.
because an
Yes.
actor just wants to do good work. And if
Yes.
a person gets rejected on these basis, that the person is a TV actor, so then it's not your fault, it's not your defeat, it's
Yeah.
their loss, who are the people who are not actually seeing your talent. They are just seeing
Yeah.
that you're from TV. So you have
Yeah.
good and not so good actors everywhere, like in films also, in TV also, and aajkal ek naya
Yeah.
chal pada hai OTT. So
Yeah.
it's like we have good projects and good actors everywhere. It's just that just see the potential in a person and
Yeah.
then sign that person, not on the basis of that ये फिल्में करते हैं तो ये अच्छे एक्टर्स ही होंगे, और ये टीवी
Yeah.
करते हैं तो ये अच्छे एक्टर्स नहीं होंगे. Oh my God bless your mind to even think like that. This is not the case.
How
Yeah.
true, how true. And and I'm very happy that you have not gone through that, because a lot of actors have come forward and said that they have gone through that. So touch wood, that's a good thing that you have not gone through. Thank you so much for all these lovely answers. Hilarious they
Thank
are indeed. All the
Thank
best
you
for all
so
the future endeavors, and hopefully
Thank you.
we get to do a nice in-person interaction the next time and not on Zoom. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Thank
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you very
God
much.
bless.